we're doing something weird today. What's up, guys? It is Chris.
Missing someone.
I was scrolling through YouTube the other day and stumbled across Jenna Marvel's new video on how to dye your eyebrows. So I thought everybody was probably like, I wonder what that would look like on me. So have no fear, because I'm going to be the guinea pig and try it on myself. This is probably going to go really bad because my eyebrows are already like super dark. But if I have caterpillar brows, then nobody else has to go through it. So I bought the stuff that she bought, which is the Just for Men mustache and beard. We're not gonna put it on my mustache today, but maybe that could be another video. If you guys are noticing the difference in my neck and face, mind your business, okay? Mind your business. I left myself tanner on for too long again, so.
It's like pouring rain out. The dogs are like stir crazy. I just feel really unmotivated today, and what I've been thinking about doing, like just in my free time anyways, is tinting my eyebrows, because in the past but I used to get my eyebrows tinted, and every time I got it done, I was like, why don't I just do this at home alone? Like, why did I make an appointment for this? Again, not taking anything away from you professionals that provide these services. Y'all are wonderful, but like, so it's a well-known trick that you can use just for men on your eyebrows, because it's like a very natural little hair color that's safe for your face. I just have never personally put it on my brows. You can buy things on Amazon there specifically for your eyebrows, but like, your girl's lazy and is near a Rite Aid, so why would I order it when I can just get it now, you know? You're not just for men. You're for men in Jenna, or whoever would like to embark on this. I like my eyebrows super dark. Natural glam, who is she? I don't know her. I don't have the kind of face that can pull that off. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a nice rainy day journey into tinting my eyebrows. Nothing too crazy, but like, sometimes I know that you guys don't even care what I'm doing in a video. Like, you just wanna hang. The color that I got is real black. So it tells you to just do this and then mix them together.
So we're gonna try this. The color I got was dark brown. She got real black, and I was scared. So we're just gonna go with dark brown and hope for the best. Everybody pray for me. So you mix, wait now, I think I put too much on here. Do you mix equal parts? She didn't say. Why am I like this? This smells like it's going to blind me. I don't know if this is safe. Is this safe? Somebody let me know. Okay, I'm mixing this up. I don't know if I should put it on with the brush like she does. I'm scared. Let's just do it. That's the way she did it, so. Okay, I'm scared. Somebody send help. Like, what am I doing here? How long do you leave this on for? Did I look that far ahead in the video? Who let me do this? Who lets me be an adult? What if I get it places that aren't my eyebrow? What happens? It smells like poison. Do you think that maybe this is just what they use at beauty salons when you get your eyebrows tinted? Okay, is that eyebrow done? Like, I don't know. I hope this looks okay, because me and Britt we're doing a video like straight after this. So let's try to get this in with it. Oh my God, it's turning dark. Guys, don't do this. No, they're looking, what have I done? Why do I do things like this to myself? Like, this is just my life. What is that? How long do I leave this on for is another question. Why isn't this eyebrow getting as dark as this one? Like, is that gonna wash out off of my skin? Like, I feel like Jenna doesn't have to worry about this because YouTube is her career, but I have a job. And if I stroll in like this, there's gonna be problems. Let's read the instructions. Like, lounge here and read them for a second. How long do we leave this shit on for? Oh, 5 minutes. Has it been 5 minutes? I haven't been timing. Do I time now? Do I look cute? Like, do I just look like I look like Captain Hook? I'm scared.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer. Hello?
Brittany! We still have a minute and a half. What do you think of them, Britt?
That's something, eh?
Okay, I'm going to go wash this off and I will show you if we made a huge mistake or not. They look pretty good.
Oh my God, I love your skirt. Where did you get it? That is the ugliest effing skirt I've ever seen.
Yeah. So let's just add this to the regrettable things that I have done in my life. I know who I look like now. I look like Eugene Levy. You're not putting on you, are you?
Yeah, but I'm only gonna leave it on for a few seconds.
Plot twist, guys. Brittany's doing it too.
Let's do Lucy's. Say hi. Say hi to everyone. Say hi to everyone, little tiny loose dog.
Oh my god, no, mine are way too dark. Oh Lord, what have I done?
Did it get black?
No, I got dark brown. But I have a lot of eyebrow hair, so I didn't judge it well.
How long did you leave yours on for?
Longer than 5 minutes.
Lucy, why do you hate me?
How's it turn out, Britt?
Pretty good.
Oh yeah, I don't see a difference.
I can't tell if it's darker, so I think I'm gonna put more on. Are we like night and day?
Now we are. I don't, like, they're too much. Like, I don't know, I can't put my
Now you
finger on.
do look like Russell Brand.
I do look like Russell Brand. Oh my god. Like if Russell Brand had an uglier sister. Well guys, this has been
A treat.
fun. Is that the word? Has this been fun? This has been stressful. Is what this is. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap that up here. So if you guys like this video, then please subscribe and check out mine and Britt's channel, because yeah, we put our videos there too. So she's still messing around with it, and I think she's making a big mistake. So see you next time. Bye.